Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download driver. After that click on search and then enter the model number of your graphic card. Corpus RTX 4060 Ti AERO OC16G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product and then click on name of the title and then click on the support and select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same Windows 10, and this is NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will start and it will take some time and depend about your internet, 10 to 15 minutes approximately. And after that downloaded, then click on three dot in the corner and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.